Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can make multiple Temu accounts, so let's get right into it. Now, whether you're making multiple accounts for yourself or an account for you or your family members, you can do that very easily. Now, on the mobile version, you might need to log out, or you can also manage your accounts and add accounts that way, and the process is very similar for accounts on the web version. Now, if you want to add new accounts and create new accounts, just go into your orders and account and then go and switch accounts, and once you're there, just click on add account, and then you can enter any other email, and you can also register it yourself. If you enter an email or a phone number that doesn't exist within their system, I'm pretty sure that you'll create a new account just like that. Or if you continue in other ways, such as using Google or Facebook accounts, it's also going to create new accounts which you can use on the Temu site. What you can also do is you can very freely just sign out, and then once you're on the login page for Temu, you'll be able to register a new account that way. And yeah, that is pretty much all there is to it. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.